Welcome, engineers. This is the Simply Supported Beam Calculator for uniform load, which calculates deflection, stress, and reaction forces for beams under uniformly distributed loads. Let's walk through the inputs. First, select your units from the drop-down menu. You can choose between metric using newtons, millimeters, and megapascals, or imperial using pounds, inches, and psi. For this demonstration, I'm using metric units. Next, enter your beam length L in the first field. Then input your total load W, which represents the uniformly distributed load across the entire beam. Third, enter your elastic modulus E for your beam material. Finally, input your moment of inertia, I based on your beam's cross-sectional geometry. For our example, I'll enter 10 for beam length, 10 for total load, 10 for elastic modulus, and 10 for moment of inertia. After clicking Calculate, here are our results. Maximum deflection is 0.000 millimeters, indicating minimal beam deformation. Maximum stress reads 0.00 megapascals, showing the peak stress in the beam. Reaction forces are 5.00 newtons each at both supports, which equals half the total load as expected for symmetric loading. This calculator streamlines your beam analysis workflow. Find the link in the description below.